Hi there, it's me Sansar Tharu, and I'm today here for my assessment 3 of routing and switching. So this is my assessment for the routing and switching assessment 3. Assessment title Design, Critique and Enhancement. So in assessment 2, I had designed a functional medium-sized network for ABC's Sydney and Melbourne branches. I had used RIPv2 uh, for routing, VLANs for segmentation, DHCP, ACL, and Ethernet channel. While it works, some key issues remained. Firstly, RIP version 2 is outdated, slow to converse, and also not scalable. The design lacked proper redundancy. If one router or gateway failed, uh, the whole network could go down. So there wasn't any wireless support either. So and and the WAN uh, link between Sydney and Melbourne, Sydney and Melbourne was encrypted. The goal of assessment 3 is to focus on these weaknesses. So at firstly, I replace RIPv2 with OSPF. So OSPF is a modern link state routing protocol. It converges far more quickly, minimizing downtime, uh, minimizing downtime time. It scales effectively for medium sized to large networks. Unlike RIP, uh, the RIP which has only 15 hop limit. Um, OSPF is a bandwidth based cost as its routing metric, which leads more efficient efficient routing decisions. So just like that, to solve redundancy issues, I added three ways. So firstly, H HSRP. So HSRP, which is stands for the Hot Standby Router Protocol, helps if one gateway spanning tree protocol with Ethernet channel, which was already implemented in assessment 2 to prevent loops and provide high availability between switches. And last but not the least, I added dual WAN link, which will ensures branch connectivity even if the primary link goes down. So ABC also needed a wireless networking. So for that, I have designed a uh, secure VLAN with two SSID, uh, one SSID for staff, and which can map to uh, corporate and mhm, and VLANs like IT and HR. Similarly, other SSID for guests, which can map to an isolated VLAN with internet only access. So for security, I suggest WPA3 enterprises with radius WIP with radius this sorry, WIPA radius, server base 802.1x authentication. Uh, this this guarantees that the internal VLAN is only accessible by authorized staffs. So network monitoring is essential too. So I decided to use PRTZ networks, which is scalable, user friendly, and has a reasonable price, using SN SN PM and sensors. PRTZ can keep an eye on the server, routers, switches, and traffic patterns. For a medium sized business like ABC. PRTZ provides the ideal mix of features and price compared to other alternatives. In previous work, the uh, WAN link between Sydney and Melbourne was encrypted. This presented a serious security risks. So to address this, I created a site-to-site IPsec VPN tunnel. So IPsec uses a hashing algorithm like SHA to guarantee data integrity, IKE to authenticate routers, and AES to encrypt all traffic. That means sensitive corporate data remains confidential and protected from interception. In conclusion, my improved design transformed ABC network into a enterprise class solution. I replace OSPF uh, in place of RIP for speed and scalability. Reliability is increased through redundancy, using dual WAN link, Ethernet channel, and HSRP. A secure WLAN uh, with WAP3 and WAN and VLAN mapping supports, with WPA3 and VLAN mapping supports movability while maintaining security. Proactive management and visibility are provided by PRTZ uh, monitoring, and last but not least, secure communication between branches is guaranteed by IPsec VPN. Overall, the network is now scalable, secure, redundant, and ready for ABC's future growth. This design is directly addresses all the limitations found in Assessment 2. Thank you.